How to remove text from photos on InShot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to remove a background using InShot but can't do it? Then don't worry, I'll help you out. So, InShot usually has background remover feature, but it is in the paid version. So if you want to do it with a free app or web browser, then don't worry, I'll help you out. So go to Google Chrome and then search for remove BG. Go ahead and tap on it. And here you just need to upload image from your gallery. So find the image, tap on it, and then tap on done. And now this website will automatically remove the background for you. Look, it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.